What is a breast cancer 1 mutation? Breast cancer 1 is a gene involved in suppressing tumors and is also known as breast cancer 1. Early onset breast cancer 1 mutation occurs when the genetic sequence is altered from the norm. The term is most commonly used to refer to a genetic change that means the gene does not produce the correct protein product. Breast cancer 1 mutation plays a major role in the development of breast and ovarian cancer in humans, and can also play a part in other cancers. The gene itself produces a protein used to repair damaged deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. When the breast cancer 1 gene is of a normal type and does not have any deleterious mutations, the protein for which it codes interacts with other cell proteins to fix breaks in the DNA. This interaction is called breast cancer 1 associated genome surveillance complex. A gene known as breast cancer 2 plays a role similar to that of breast cancer 1, and carrying mutations in breast cancer 2 also increases cancer risk. The DNA breaks occur through environmental exposure to carcinogens such as natural radiation or when a cell divides. If a breast cancer 1 mutation exists that is significant enough to affect the action of the protein, this repair does not work as efficiently as it should. The result of a defective gene can be that cells divide uncontrollably, resulting in cancer. The gene is found on human chromosome 17. It has an essential action in mending split DNA and is also found in chimpanzees, dogs, rats, chickens, mice and cows. More than 1,000 mutations have been recognized in the breast cancer 1 genetic sequence, many of which are associated with cancer risk. A person with a harmful breast cancer 1 mutation is at a higher risk than the general public for breast and ovarian cancers. Men with a defective breast cancer 1 gene are also affected and are more likely to develop breast cancer than men with a normal breast cancer 1 gene. Breast cancer 1 mutations are passed down from generation to generation, but, because each child only receives one copy of a chromosome from each parent to make up a full complement of 2 of each chromosome, not every child in a generation will inherit the defective gene. A breast cancer 1 mutation accounts for up to 40% of breast cancers known to be inherited and about 80% of breast and ovarian cancers known to be inherited. Genetic testing is available for people who think they may have inherited a breast cancer 1 mutation. These tests cost from a few hundred US dollars, USD, to a few thousand US dollars in 2011.